So boom, this what happened. I found this t-shirt at Five Below and I thought it was so cute. So I decided let me spice it up a little bit because it was still a little plain. So first thing I did was turn it into a crop top. And then I had to finish up the hem. So you just fold it over one time and then you fold it over again and pin it in place. And you're going to do that around the entire bottom of the shirt. Once I was done with that, I just did a straight stitch around the entire perimeter of the bottom of the shirt. If you're using any kind of stretchy material, you're going to want to do a zigzag stitch. But because this shirt was so loose on me anyway, I didn't need this material to stretch any more than it already does. And since it was so big, I decided let me put some pleats in it just to make it a little bit smaller. So I put one directly in the middle of the back and I put a smaller one on each side, just to pull it in a couple inches. It still ends up being a little bit loose, but I'm fine with that. This is just a way to make your shirt smaller. So if you need to make yours smaller, this is how you do it. So I just pinned those pleats into place and I just did another straight stitch around the pleats. Doesn't have to be around the entire bottom, but I did end up doing it around the entire bottom because the edge of the pleat kind of stuck up a little bit and I just wanted it to lay flat. And this is how it looks so far. It's pretty cute, pretty basic. I like it, whatever. Moving on. I also know I wanted to roll up the sleeves of the shirt, but I knew they would never stay up the way I wanted them rolled. So I just did a little tack at the top and under the arm on both sleeves just to keep the roll in place. Just leave it a little bit messy, but know that even when I'm moving around, the rolled up hem is still going to be there on the sleeve. So you can see right here where it's just sticking up just a little bit. So I definitely was like, I gotta tack this down. It's just bugging me. I didn't even try it on yet. I just knew that it was going to bug me. So I tacked it down. And then I found some feathers and I knew I had to put them around the bottom of this shirt because it was gonna make it just so extra floofy and extra. And that's what I am, just a little bit extra. The particular brand of feather boa that I have is actually strung together with strings. So there was like a long thread going through the entire thing. I just pinned the bottom of the top to the thread in between the feathers. And then I just tacked it in place every couple inches. I didn't sew all the way around because I wanted the feathers to still be able to kind of move around and sway. But I wanted it to still be secure that if I bent over or moved my arm or something, there wouldn't be like a giant loop hanging because it wasn't fully attached to the shirt. I'm not sure if it's making sense, but hopefully you understand what I'm trying to say. And you guys, if you like it, don't forget to hit that like button. If you love it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button just so I know what's going on because I'm nosy and I want to know what's up. So what's up? Pretty please with sugar and spice and everything nice. But once I was done tacking that into place, that's it. This tee is done and it's cute and it's fun and it's a little bit flirty and I just love it. But you guys, this is just an easy way to spice up any kind of t-shirt. You can put pearls, you could put feathers, you could put studs, anything. Just spice it up. You don't have to leave it the way you bought it from the store. You can always personalize things and make it a little bit your own. But that's mine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was short, sweet, and to the point. But you know, sometimes it be like that. But anyway, I'm wishing you all love, peace, and cupcakes. Bye.